We had a great day here at Peninsula Lakes. It was great to have Erica Beck here from Rainbird. We walked the attendees through CirrusPRO and its benefits and how Peninsula Lakes has benefited from that in the renovation process. Mark Craddock was on the grill today, kicked out a beautiful lunch, and we want to thank all the attendees who came. Thanks to Jamie Letourneau and his team who walked us through the project.
We decided to upgrade our irrigation system to have better control over our water, to be more efficient with our water usage, and to have better coverage over the course.
A lot of sods going down here at the moment, and they definitely have their hands full keeping everything green, but they're doing an amazing job. Congratulations to Adam Keller from Links at Willowdell on winning the Blackstone. And again, thank you to all the attendees. It was a wonderful experience.